our 30-inch stainless steel work base. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have 30 inches in length and a depth of 12 inches. Overall height, we have at least 25.25 inches. And the measurements from the bottom to the base of the shelf, we have at least 10 inches. Measurements for the bottom shelf will include 22.25 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. The thickness of the shelf will be at least 1.5 inches, and thickness for the top of the table will be at least 2.5 inches. Coming to the front of the work base, there will be an opening with a left, right, and back flare surrounding the edges. With these flares, this will hold the charbroiler, griddle, burner, or anything else that you have in position on top of this base. It will also prevent slippage of that unit. Coming to the side will be the NSF certification sticker, and this work base can hold and support equipment that we sell through our website, such as burners, griddles, and more. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.